Are you looking for the best way to start making money with AI without complicated tools but with a clear and easy path to income? Because right now there are hundreds of creators making tens of thousands of dollars every month by monetizing AI content. So if you're watching this, consider yourself lucky because you're still early in this game. This is a fast and growing industry you need to pay attention to. Let's go. So the business model itself is actually very simple. We're going to build an AI influencer and then monetize the audience it creates. That means turning AI generated photos, reels, or any type of content really into an income stream through subscriptions, private communities, or even brand deals. And the best part is, unlike traditional influencers, your AI model never gets tired. So it's like running your own digital creator business without being stuck on camera. But here's the main issue within this industry. Most AI creators fail before they ever see results. They waste hours uploading random selfies, wasting credits to get pictures that aren't consistent. They rely on prompts that produce weird photos instead of content people actually want to see. That's why their influencers never take off and why they quit before ever monetizing. The solution is very simple. You just need the right workflow and the right tool. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you right now with my Snapface. In this channel, we break down the smartest ways to build, scale, and monetize AI influencers. So if you're serious about turning content into income, hit subscribe and let's dive in. Step 1. Go to mysnapface.com and sign up for a new account. It only takes a minute. Just follow the instructions. Step 2. Choose how you want to get started. You can generate photos using pre-made AI models or create your own influencer from scratch. So here we have different options available. We can actually upload 20 images of a real person in order to train our own model. Or we can create a virtual character from scratch. There's also a third option, which is the newly improved character creation feature. But this one is still in beta. Feel free to use it, but for this tutorial, I'll go with the original virtual creation option. Step 3. Now you have to select the physical attributes of your model. You can select based on ethnicity, age, body type, and more. After that, you'll have to confirm which generated images look closest to the character you have in mind. Just select them until you're satisfied and choose all the best pictures. Once confirmed, wait a few minutes and just like that, your AI model is ready. Step 4. Now comes the fun part, content creation. You can either use pre-made photo packs for quick content creation or upload base pictures for custom scenes. But here's the pro tip. You can install the My Snapface Chrome extension. This new extension allows you to clone any picture from the web. For example, you can open Pinterest, Instagram, or any photo online really. And then with the My Snapface extension, you can instantly recreate the same picture in the same style based on your own model. How cool is that? And now comes the final step. You can actually upscale your picture for better quality and then export the results. Now you have consistent photos all ready to be posted across your socials. And here's why this is all so powerful. Remember, consistency builds trust. People tend to follow faces they recognize. With My Snapface, your influencer always looks the same across every platform. And the more content you create quickly, the more you'll be able to grow your account. Instead of spending hours on one post, you can actually generate weeks of content effortlessly. And this is highly scalable. Whether you want your influencer to post fitness today or travel lifestyle tomorrow, you can create that type of content instantly. And this is why AI creators are scaling faster than ever. So if you're tired of wasting time bouncing between different tools and want to actually monetize AI, go to mysnapface.com and try it today. And if you want my full setup checklist, just comment my Snapface below and I'll share it with you. This is just the beginning of our video series. In the next videos, I'll break down how to scale your AI influencer and how to turn all this content into real income streams. So make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.